how to get back into your Oculus account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get back into your Oculus account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get back into your Oculus account, maybe because you just happen to forget your password or anything as such, it's very simple to do so. Just go to oculus.com and it will take you to meta.com/quest. So make sure to actually check the link in the description, because I'll make sure to leave them down as well. Once you're here, what you want to do is you'll find the account icon from the top right. Make sure to click on it, click on the sign into or log into Meta account. Now of course, if you had remembered your details, you would be able to log in, and you can also get back into your Oculus account if you don't remember your password, if you can log in with your Facebook account, right? Because your Facebook account comes from your Meta account itself. But if you want to log in separately, you can click on login with email. If you had remembered it, you can enter email and password, but since you don't remember it and maybe you want to reset it, you can just click the forgot password link here, and all you have to do is make sure to enter the email address that was basically associated with your Meta account here. Once you enter the email address that was associated with your Meta account, so let me also just go ahead and do that. Once you've done this process, what you want to do is right here you'll find the find account button. Make sure to click on find account. Then it will most likely send a verification link to your email address. So what you want to do is you want to simply go to that email address here. Once you go to that email address, right here you can see I have received a password reset link. So make sure to copy the code here, paste the code, and then click the continue option, and right like that it'll take you to the new page where you can choose a new password for your Meta account without having to remember your old password. And that's it on how you can actually get your Oculus account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.